Among countless coursebooks, why choose Master Blueprint? Master Blueprint goes beyond simple knowledge and builds real-life communication skills. It provides a structured 7-level roadmap designed to help individuals grow at their own pace. Now, let's dive into how Master Blueprint builds your skills step by step. Master Blueprint follows a systematic path from accuracy to fluency. It is designed to expand progressively from practical conversations to in-depth nonfiction texts. It keeps learners engaged and guides them to achieve optimal outcomes at every level. Here's the core lesson structure of Master Blueprint that drives learner growth. Foundational levels of Master Blueprint, books 1 to 4, focus on building a precise foundation through model dialogues. In this series, learners engage in meaningful activities that enable them to express their own experiences. Through this process, Master Blueprint ensures learning is seamlessly connected to real-world communication. High levels of Master Blueprint connect learners to the real world through diverse, authentic academic texts. Students are trained to analyze factual information and transform it into creative, logical expressions. Through this rigorous path, Master Blueprint High Level achieves true fluency and critical literacy. Each unit and module in Master Blueprint includes a review section to reinforce learning and retention. This process helps learners develop a thorough understanding of what they have learned. Next, we'll explore the Master Blueprint CLIL section, which adds depth to knowledge beyond language learning. Foundational levels of Master Blueprint aim to build basic literacy through everyday social and cultural themes. Advanced levels of Master Blueprint develop critical thinking by asking learners to analyze professional academic subjects. The writing section is designed to produce level-appropriate outcomes. At foundational levels, Master Blueprint builds practical business communication skills through formats like emails. At advanced levels, the series develops formal, professional writing through essays and reports. The accompanying Master Blueprint workbook offers a wide range of additional practice activities. Each lesson in the workbook includes activities that help learners deepen their understanding. Master Blueprint is a user-friendly, reliable solution designed to support meaningful progress. Comprehensive resources for Master Blueprint, including PPTs and test materials, equip instructors with everything they need for effective lesson preparation. A confident choice that elevates the value of your institution. Discover Master Blueprint today.